Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today, I've got a problem. As you know, it has been hot. And I went to jump in my pickup this morning. And here's what happened. So, the heat is just as bad on your battery as the cold. But look at this sunrise. There's always a beautiful sunrise before another great day. So I have got a product to show you. I haven't even unwrapped it out of the bag yet. This is something that's essential for any time of the year, summer, winter. The GOOLOO A3 jump starter tire inflator, 3,000 amp, 150 psi on the tire compressor, or the tire inflator. But I am sure this thing comes with all sorts of accessories. So I want to get you set up right here. We're going to unwrap this thing, and we're going to jump start a pickup. And as you see, I hadn't even got this out of the plastic yet. GOOLOO reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try this, and I want to tell you, I am sold on these little jump starters, air compressors. They are the handiest thing to carry in your vehicle. I gave one to my sister. I've given one to my nephew. I carry one with me. Oh, check out this nice little bag they got it in. That is nice. Ooh, nice little digital display. And, okay, this has got to be the most satisfying thing of it. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm going to set this up right here. Let's turn it on. Looks like I got 3 bars of battery. Set to 36 psi. All right. Come on, stay up there. There we go. You've got your user manual, all different languages. Nice little bound book. Let's see what all we got. Oh, and with the charging cable, you got your battery deal, of course. You got all your basket or sports ball inflator, adapters, things to blow up mattresses with, and of course your screw-in compressor. And the charging cord, of course, hit the ground. But right now, we need to use a jump start. So, what I'm going to do is we're going to tuck all this back in. Set that right there. And plug that in. No, I do not want the compressor. Well, let's hook it up here. See if it'll give me some jump start. All right, I'll get you a little bit closer here. Maybe not that close. All right, for jump starting, you got to push this little button right here. You hear a little click and ding. And we start right up. That little compressor just wants to work, doesn't it? Well, I tell you what, let's put it to the test. I'm going to change out the clamps for the hose. Got a nice little thumb screw right here. Now while that's sitting there running, move you right here. We're going to go down. Let's see here. Get you a little closer to the action. Clamp it on. We're at 22 pounds. Check that out. And there we go, 36. I want to go do the other side. We're going to see how resilient this battery is. Okay, and we got tire number 2. Now, I have been using this with just the charge it came with. Let me get this back to regular, there we go. With just the charge it came with. Now, I've jump started it once. I've aired up 2 tires. All right, some of the other benefits of this. Right here, you've got presets. So, car, passenger car, bicycle, basketball, 150. You can set this thing up to 150 PSI. And what I did, I took a screenshot of how long it took to air up one of the tires. That'll give you an idea of how long you can expect it to do 10 pounds of PSI. Now, it's going to be, different from whatever tires you're doing, but I guarantee you, if I had to air up a tire, it'd take me just as long to turn on the air compressor and let it build up pressure before I was able to use it. Now then, it's also got, come on here, there we go, handy little work light. Let's see if it's got different settings. Yep, there's strobe, SOS, and then off. Plus, you've also got USBs. Let's see, that's input, so that's where you're going to charge at. There's your USB-C, or USB-A, USB-A output. Here's where you plug in your battery or your charger cables. And of course, there's for your compressor. There's your air compressor intakes. You got your nice little carrying strap. Guys, GOOLOO, thank you so much. This is one heck of a little thing. Christmas gifts, Santa approves. I think everybody needs one of these in their cars just because. I mean, dead battery, flat tire. How many times have you come out in the parking lot and experienced that? So guys, pick you one up. The links are going to be in the description below. Thank you very much. And we will see you next time on Santa's Workshop.